Good day everyone. I hope you are doing great today. I am Nika Herali from Group 3 and today I am going to discuss the genetically modified organisms or GMOs in non-food crops and microorganisms. Our objective for today's discussion is to understand and identify the different GMOs in non-food crops and microorganisms. But before we will discuss and deepen our understanding regarding this topic, let us have first a short activity entitled Guess the Jumbled Word. Alright, I will give you 10 seconds to answer these first jumbled words and type your answer in the chat box. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you already put your answer. So the correct answer is food crops. Next, guess the jumbled word. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you already typed your answer. So the correct answer is bioremediation. Last, guess the jumbled words. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I hope you already typed your answer in the chat box. So the correct answer is paper production. Okay, thank you guys for participating. GM plants develop for non-food or non-feed purposes which may be used for a wide range of applications such as the production of industrial enzymes, raw materials for biofuels, paper, starch, medicinal products such as vaccines and antibodies, as well as other uses which can range from energy. GMOs in non-food crops and microorganisms involves the following. First, flour production, paper production, pharmaceutical production, bioremediation, enzyme and drug production, and GMOs in the medical field. Now, let's discuss it one by one. First, flour production. GMOs in flour production are seen in modified color and extended vase life of flowers. Examples are the so-called blue roses, which are in reality lilac or purple in color. So because of the scientists and the genetic engineering's knowledge, they mix and add some of the content of the flower such as the diglycoside, flavonoid, hydroxylase into cyanidin, producing cultivars that diverts into anthocyanin biosynthetic pathway towards the production of delphinidin glucosides, and the flower turns to blue. So makita na to ang power or ang kanang knowledge sa mga genetic engineering or the scientists nga ginamix or sila gina-add sa content sa flower para mahimo tong light changes, especially sa mga colors. Second, paper production. Modified characteristic of trees for higher yield of paper production. So, examples are the poplar trees. Lignin is a complex polymer in trees that is removed from wood to make paper through craft process. Through inserting genes that code for ferulic acid in young poplar trees, the lignin structure is modified, making lignin easier to break down. So, that is why mas mudaghan ang production sa paper. Third is for pharmaceutical production. So, example are the periwinkle plants. Bacterial genes were added to the periwinkle plant to enhance the production of vinblastine, an alkaloid usually added to drugs for cancer treatments like Hodgkin's lymphoma. So makita nato nga through this kay isa pud siya ka way para makakita ta og treatment especially for the cancer. Fourth, bioremediation. Use of modified plants that can assist in the bioremediation of polluted sites. So, an example is the shrub tobacco. So na nagihapoy i-process ana nga or i-modified nga mga content ana, and then it is good for bioremediation. It shows high level accumulation of zinc, lead, cadmium, nickel, and boron, and produces high biomass. Fifth, enzyme and drug production. Use of modified microorganisms that can produce enzymes for food processing and medicines. Okay, ang example ana is the artemisinin. So, artemisinic acid is a compound used for anti-malarial drug extracted from sweet wordwood plants. So, through genetic engineering, it can be synthetically produced by yeast and bacteria with sweet wordwood plant genes. So, naghapo yung mga process ana nga i-modify in order nga mahimo siyang tambal sa anti-malaria. Alright, sixth is the GMOs in the medical field. So, genetic engineering is playing a significant role from diagnosis to treatment of human-related diseases. It helps in the production of drugs, gene therapy, and laboratory researches. So, ang GMOs, dako kayo siya tabang especially sa medical field. And one of the example ana nga dako kayo nga contribution is ang known as the insulin or the humulin, di ba? Ginatambal ni siya especially sa mga diabetes patients. So, kung mataas ang imuhang diabetic, na kay diabetes, magtusok ka or take ka aning insulin para mubaba. And it is the product gihapon sa GMO, which is dako jud kaayong tabang. Alright, again, these are the GMOs in non-food crops and microorganisms. So, I hope that you've learned something from my report. And now, I am passing the virtual floor to the next reporter in order for us nga mas madipen pa gyud ang atoang knowledge regarding sa GMOs. So, thank you guys for listening.